Okay guys, welcome to the workshop. Windy old afternoon here in the jungle, let me tell you. It's been a windy day, windy night actually. Big windstorm last night. Insane. But gets rid of the heat. Yesterday, day before yesterday, something insanely hot. It's been strange weather, up and down all over the place, that's for sure. Unusual to get this much wind this time of year. We should be done with the wind for a while, but we're not. I hear a kite. Somebody's got a kite in the sky. Which is very unusual for April, wow. Another week it'll be Songkran. Yeah, thank you, Thomas, thank you. Songkran coming, that normally means rain. Been getting a lot of rain in other parts of Thailand, but not here, just the one storm the other day, that's it. I have the ant in my tea. It's not a good place for the ants to hang out, that's for sure. Oh yeah, that's good tea. Even if it is the Lipton's. I like the temperature. What a difference. It's only, I think it's 25 degrees today. Now somebody who lives in the frozen north, 25 degrees Celsius. Gonna seem like a hot day, but it was 40 yesterday. I don't know if it was yesterday or the day before. It was insanely hot. I think it was yesterday. Probably 40. I don't follow the weather too much, but I know I got a message this morning saying it's going to be 25 today, or a weather update on my phone. And I believe it. Wind out of the north, must be a storm come from China or something. Oh, that's good tea. Nice to relax with a fire and a cup of tea. Done a bunch of cleanup around here today. When you have animals, there's always something that needs to be done, you know. Fix something, make something, clean something. There's always a long list, that's for sure. And I have a lot of animals. That's why farmers are always busy. There's always something that needs to be done. Look at that fire. The wind's going around in a circle. I'm gonna burn the handle off my fork. My old garden fork seen better days, but I don't need to burn the handle off of it. When I started the fire, the smoke was coming right at me. It's one of those kind of days. Everything's going around in a circle. Last 2 days I've been editing videos for the cooking channel. Got those all done now. Anything that's recorded, because I've been recording videos for a while before I even got the channel going, and about half of those videos will need written recipes done, so that's the next step, and then I can start getting them out. I still haven't promoted the channel. I plan to do a video on life in Thailand, or put something in the end of a video or something. I'm not sure yet. Try and get some subscribers, but I haven't done it yet. Been stuck on 91 for a while. Still, 91's not bad in my opinion. Not bad at all. Got a variety of videos coming. The pickled red cabbage one will probably be next. Got some beet videos, 2 of those. A bunch of slow cooker. Well, before the kitchen was finished, I did a few slow cooker videos. I use my slow cooker a lot. She might be old and ugly, but it does a good job. I did a video for the pork ribs, fried pork ribs. Those are really easy to do. Really good, but you can fry pretty much anything and it'll be really good. So that's a nice easy one. A nice easy one for to try. Just listening to the kite. Oh, there it is. I see it now. There, way over there. I don't know. Too far for the camera. But he's coming this way. Way up there. Got a really long tail on that one. He's up there a long ways. Pretty strange to see it this time of year, that's for sure. And during the day. Better enough they put them up last night or not. I didn't hear any last night, but there was some wind. Boy, oh boy, my windows and everything were just shaking. I don't like the windstorms. A little bit of rain with it, not much. I didn't think there was any, but there was a little bit came last night, not much. But wind breaks things, you know. Windstorm we had the other day, I can't remember where I went. I saw 2 roofs nearly ripped off. Not of houses, of just, it was salas. It's like a gazebo thing, Thai style gazebo. One of them was actually seen to be built quite good. The other one, not a big surprise that it flew away, but one it was new, all new, I know that. It looked like it was built good. My wood is turning into a pile of dust. The bugs have gotten to it. That's why you can't build out of wood here. Bugs eat it. I'll show ya. Where are we at? See that hole right there? There's 2 actually. There. There's a bunch of little ones along here. And the bigger one there. See the dust? Look at that. You just turn it to dust. This is a very soft wood, obviously, but I don't know what kind of bug it is. It's not termites. See? Look at that. Going back to nature. Whoa, that one wasn't eaten. Hard as a rock, that one. But yeah, building all the wood here. Now they got the fake wood, the con wood. That actually looks pretty good and seems strong. That's what the eaves of my house is done with. And the inside trim as well. But real wood, you gotta keep on that. If you don't have a good coat of stain on it, something to protect it, it'll go back to nature pretty quick. That is for sure. Look at this. Just turns it into dust. There's no weight in that at all anymore. Not that it was all that heavy before, but I see my starfruit tree is flowering. Be nice if it sets fruit again. Got so many out of there last time. It's only a few months ago. Had too many. Well, I guess there's no such thing as too many, but I gave a ton to the chickens every day. Pomelo tree flowering again. And mangoes are in season now. Just getting there. The local mangoes. Just getting there. At the wife's farm, the old mango trees there got really big mangoes this year. I don't know if they have very many or not. I haven't been there, but we ate a couple of them a few days ago. Really, really good, nice big mangoes. The best ones I've had off that tree, or those trees, that's for sure. They're normally quite small, but these are really good. Cause I cut my mango tree down. It got some. It got blown over in the storm last year, and from that it got a bug infestation, and it never did put out any amount of fruit. I don't think I got a half a dozen mangoes off of it the entire time I had it. But they were huge mangoes, huge, like 1 kilo mangoes. I never seen them any bigger, that's for sure. And it fruited a little bit later than the other ones. So if I was open, you know, whoa, to get a good mango crop off of that one right after the other one's finished, it would have been good timing, but it didn't work out. I don't have space for anything that's not going to put out, you know. No space for freeloaders. I need to get my pomegranate trees transplanted, but that's at the end of April, but we'll see what the weather's like. I got them in the pots now, and they're both doing well, so the dog didn't manage to kill that one anyway. Whoa! Flying fire. I think he'll do all right. I think the longer I can keep him in the pot, let him grow his roots. Oh, there's 2 kites now. You see that one? I can't even tell if it's 4 tails or 6 tails on it. It is huge. You just think now, we know from the kite video that I did on Life in Thailand, that kite is between 5 and 6 feet long. Look at all those tails hanging off of there. Amazing they can get that up in the air, huh? That's a first for me. I've never seen that. And right below it, I don't know if we'll see it, there's another one. It's a banana leaf. Really big banana leaf. There's another one here somewhere. Should be right about there. He's just got the normal regular two tails on it. Look at that, huh? The magnificent multiple tails. 1, 2, I see 5. That sure looks like 5 to me. Wow, that is amazing, huh? And he's got a couple of short ones too, huh? You see it coming off the fins. If the banana tree would slow down. See that? The little short ones coming off the corners. Wow. How cool is that? There we go, max zoom. Looks like 5 coming off the back end, huh? Evenly spaced. That's the first. A first for me. The other one's right below it, right in here. He's just a regular old two tails, nothing special. I hear another one now. They must be just putting them up. It's a monkey see, monkey do thing, you know. If you hear one, then everybody's got to get them up. There's another one just south. That's looking west. Good day for it. My fire's done. I think I am done. It's about time to feed the animals and whatever else needs to be done. It is cool. Alright guys, well that's it. Like I say, my fire's done, my tea is done. I gotta go get food for the birds, water for the rabbits, food for the goats. Always something to do. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching.